Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Here is a list of the best
facial cleansing bars
available for online purchase. If you thought this article was useful, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep producing top 10 lists.
For more than 75 years, Cetaphil has been intimately studying sensitive skin and partnered with dermatologists to identify 5 key signs of skin sensitivity: dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness, and weakened skin barrier. Cetaphil's products have been scientifically formulated to defend against these 5 signs by supporting the skin's natural barrier, boosting hydration, and soothing skin. Cetaphil. We do skin. You do you.
Keeping sensitive skin healthy, clean, and moisturized all at the same time can be a challenge. Southern Natural Dead Sea Mud and Charcoal Soap contains mineral-rich mud from the Dead Sea and activated charcoal that work together to cleanse, calm, and nourish irritated skin. Our long-lasting quality bars are lovingly made in the USA. They provide exceptional lather and work for both face and body to balance oily and dry skin. Customers have shared that Southern Natural Soap has a beneficial restoring effect. Skin not only looks better, it also feels better, all without harsh, harmful ingredients. We are so confident that you will love our soap that we offer a customer satisfaction guarantee. No questions asked. Choose healthy skin. Order yours today.
Hey, I'm Kylie. I'm here to tell you a little more about these beauties right here. Beauty by Earth's bar soaps. They're non-drying, made with organic oils and butters, and smell amazing. First up, the charcoal face bar. Yep, that's right, charcoal. Don't let that scare you. Charcoal is just what you need to help balance out your face. Whether you have oily skin, combination skin, or skin that's just a problem, this face soap is going to help clear you up and cleanse away all the nasty stuff that's slowing you down. Next, the lavender citrus face bar. Remember those little decorative soaps your grandma used to keep in the bathroom? This ain't them. It's full of organic oils, butters, and extracts, and is so gentle and soothing. If you have sensitive skin, this is the soap for you. And last but not least, the shave bar. You know that toxic bottle of shaving gel you have in your shower? Get rid of it. You don't need it. You have shaving soap now. It's fatty and super sudsy, which is just what you want to prep your skin for a super close shave. Just lather it up with a shaving brush or rub the bar right onto your legs and shave it up. How to use these soaps? Any way you want to. Use them with a cognac sponge, use them with a battery-operated face brush. Heck, you can even use them with your bare hands, if that's what you're into. Face bar. Yep, that's right, charcoal. Or skin that's just a problem, this face soap is going to help clear you up and cleanse away all the nasty stuff that's slowing you down. Face bar. Remember those little decorative soaps your grandma used to make oils, butters, and extracts? If you have sensitive skin, this is the soap for you. And last but not least, the shave bar. Get rid of it. You don't need it. You have, it's fatty and super sudsy, which is just what you want to prep your skin for a super close shave. Just bar right onto your legs and shave it up. A cognac sponge, use them with, you can even use them with your bare hands, if that's what you're into.